All right, let's look at Delta Math. So just go to the website, Delta Math. Click on it. I am going to log in as a teacher. Create an assignment. So I'm going to create an assignment. Let's call it solving for X. Go into the practice class. I'm going to post this immediately. The skills I want to do are solving for X. Let's say solving equations. There we go. Solving one variable equations. I'm going to click on this. And let's look at maybe a two-step equation. Kind of looks like what I want to do. So I'm going to add that, put a plus sign. Let's do two of them. Let's do two-step equation with decimals. What does that look like? Not bad. I like it. Click that, and let's do two again of those. Let's do one more in here, linear equations with distribution, level 1. Nice. Not bad. I like that. Those might take a little longer, so I'm going to create two of those. Probably enough for right now just to kind of show you how to do this. We can keep going. Due dates, let's pick a date. September 8th. And hit create assignment, and it's been created. Now I'm going into this assignment as a student, so I'm going to log out of this. I'm going to go to log in again, but this time I'm going to come in as a student. I created my account already. Put my password here. And I can see there are several problems here. And the one I'm interested in is solving for X, and those are the three types of problems I put on there. So I'm going to start with the top one. And if it says solve for Z, I can see what I would have to do is subtract 24 on both sides. I get 7 on this side, so Z over 10 equals 7. And then to solve it, I'd multiply by 10, so it looks like 70. And I submit. Are you sure? Answer is yes. So I get a check mark. It's correct along with the work. Let's go to the next problem. And I see all those negatives. It makes me nervous. So what I can do is I can see show example. And it'll walk me through a problem very similar, although these are all positives. And then I can go to original problem and try it on my own. So if I solve it, so add 32, divide by -3, and let's say I have -17. Right? Probably not right. I submit answer. Do I want to? I hit yes. This isn't correct. It will tell me that. And then I'm thinking, I want to look at this. So I'm going to see solution, but I have to try again. Or I can hit yes, show solution. So I'm going to hit yes, show solution. It shows me how to do this one. And I can see if I did that right. And your solution, I can see that the student pressed see solution instead of submitting an answer. So I'm going to hit next problem. I'm still the student here. Let's try another one. So I'd add 6, which gives me 12. Divide by 3, so I can see this is 4. Submit answer. Am I sure? Yes. So I click yes. And then I do next problem. Subtract 33, so I get 40. Divide by -4, so it looks like -10. And hit yes. So now I have 2 out of 2 correct. And then I would do my next section. So it would be the same thing again. But let's say I don't want to do these two-step with decimals. I'm going to go to the linear equations. I can do that too. Do a couple of those and practice them. So I'm going to log out of this as a student. I'm going to log in now as the teacher again to see what the student has done. And how I see that, I click on student data. I can see problem logs. So this is the one here. It's the practice student. So I'm going to view this assignment, what they did, how they did on them. I can see the ones that the student pressed the solution. So I can look at everything they've just done. Problem logs again. Oh, let me get out of that. Student data view assignments. I can see solving for X here. The student did 33% of the problems, 2 out of 2 here, 0 out of 2, 0 out of 2. And let's look at the student last action. I can see that last time they were on there was on July 25th at 5:22. And problem logs one more time. So here's my practice student. I'll click on that. Solving for X is here. I can click the plus sign. I can see that they did that one in 22 seconds, 53 seconds here, 27, 17, and that's the current problem that they're on. So I can see how long they spent on each of the problems.